आंटी आप कहाँ से आई हैं?
डोंबिवली कल्याण के पास, मुंबई।
और पहली बार आ रही है? पहले भी आ चुके हैं आप
नहीं,
दर्शन?
पहले भी आ चुकी हूँ।
पहले भी आ चुके हैं।
2 बार आई थी।
और पहले कैसा?
लेकिन ये चीज थोड़ी था,
हाँ,
तब तो गली गली में से जाओ, पंडा पीछे पीछे, कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ दर्शन करना है, अभी कोई पंडा दिखते ही नहीं। इतना फ्री हो गया।
अच्छा।
आने जाने का रास्ता अच्छा हो गया, पहले नाली क्या। पर मेरा बेटा बोला बॉम्बे देख करके, एकदम बनारस देख करके ही आना, बोली कितना बढ़िया बना है। गर्भगृह का इस तरह से खुल जाना और दूर से दर्शन मिलना, तो पूरा ईश्वर का जो अध्यात्म का एक अलग से फील है वो अब आता है। तब उतना अच्छा नहीं आता, ये लगता था कि भीड़ है, कंजेस्टेड है। अभी ओपन होने से बहुत शांति लगती है, अच्छा लगता है।
चुनाव के लिए आया था, तो ऐसे ही मेरे भीतर से एक आवाज निकली थी, मैं आया नहीं हूं, मुझे बुलाया है। और आज मुझे लगता है कि जो बुलावा था वो ऐसे ही कामों के लिए था, और इन कामों को पूरा करने का संकल्प फिर एक बार बहुत प्रबल हुआ है, बहुत मजबूत हुआ है। 250-250 साल के बाद शायद इस परमात्मा ने मेरे ही नसीब में लिखा था इस कार्य के लिए। 250 साल के बाद शायद इस परमात्मा ने मेरे ही नसीब में लिखा था इस कार्य के लिए। और इसीलिए शायद जब हम 2014 में चुनाव के लिए आया था तो ऐसे ही मेरे भीतर से एक आवाज निकली थी, मैं आया नहीं हूं, मुझे बुलाया है। और आज मुझे लगता है कि जो बुलावा था वो ऐसे ही कामों के लिए था।
saying that, listen, if our temples are going to be in such a congested condition, and then what is our nation going to be like? Now, it's almost 100 years since then, and this is when the project was taken up for development, and the idea was that this temple, that space would be created between the temple and the Ganges, and this space would provide a processional route or a route for pilgrims to come up from the Ganges and reach the temple, and there would be a precinct which would be the temple precinct, and it would have a lot of facilities for pilgrims and for their comfort, etc. And that this whole climb up from the Ganges up to the temple would also be provided with enough facilities so that even disabled people could go all the way right up to the top. So this is what the project was about in its barest form. I'll perhaps stop at this point and let Commissioner add a few words about what this project is.
Good afternoon, everyone. As Bimal Patel ji had just laid out the broad contours of this entire project, the vision of this project. See, Kashi is known for two main things. One is Ganges, another is Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Apart from Sarnath, which is again one of the major attractions. Linking the two, that is the Ganges to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, that is the faith and belief of billions and billions of people. This was the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, that how we can link this to epitome of Kashi, so that we can recreate the previous glory, where it is believed that people used to take bath in Ganges, used to do Achman, or used to just carry the water from Ganges and walk up to the temple.
Now, as we all know, Kashi Vishwanath Mandir is one of the most significant mandirs of the country. It was, it's 400 meters away from the bank of the Ganges and up a steep slope. So you have a steep slope, and 400 meters away from the Ganges is the temple. It was completely hemmed in by very dense urban development. So if you're aware of...
Just 1 second. Let me put this on mute.
Yeah. Should I go ahead? Should I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So it was hemmed in by very dense urban development. It was in the middle of what in other cities we call the walled city, the original traditional city. So it was sort of completely in a very, very congested area of the city. The first time that somebody had called for the sort of improvement of this area was in 1916, when Gandhiji had gone to Banaras Hindu University for university, I think, where he made a famous first speech, which everybody knows, it can be Googled. And he at that time in 1916 had been to the temple, and he talked about it in his speech next day, saying that, listen, if our temples are going to be in such a congested condition, and then what is our nation going to be like? Now it's almost 100 years since then, and this is when the project was taken up for development, and the idea was that that this temple, that space would be created between the temple and the Ganges, and this space would provide a processional route or a route for pilgrims to come up from the Ganges.
जिस सपनों को लंबे अरसे से मन में संजोया हुआ था, जब मैं राजनीति में नहीं था, तब भी जब यहां आता था, कई बार आया, लेकिन लग रहा था कि यहां कुछ करना चाहिए, होना चाहिए। लेकिन पता नहीं, शायद भोले बाबा ने तय किया होगा कि बेटे बातें बहुत करते हो, आओ इधर करके दिखाओ। और शायद भोले बाबा का आदेश कहो, आशीर्वाद कहो कि आज वो सपना साकार होने का शुभारंभ हो रहा है।